Honor and parent company Huawei have certainly been making efforts to solidify their newfound presence in the laptop market recently. They launched the new Honor MagicBook 14 laptops a couple of months ago, although those were more value for money, bang for buck options. And now the company is looking to build upon that by bringing over their flagship offering, their flagship laptop, the Honor MagicBook Pro. Hi guys, this is Nick from SoyajinShah.com, and we're going to talk about the MagicBook Pro today, and here's everything that you need to know. The headliner here is that this is the first Honor laptop to be powered by an AMD Ryzen 4000 series chip, with the MagicBook Pro featuring an AMD Ryzen 5 4600 mated to integrated AMD Radeon graphics. We're also getting the range topping configuration in Malaysia, which means that we'll be getting 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM along with 512 gigs of PCIe NVMe SSD storage. So what else is interesting about the Honor MagicBook Pro? Let's quickly run through some important specs. Now, the MagicBook Pro has a 16.1-inch Full HD display with an aspect ratio of 16:9, but Honor says that it will still have a similar footprint as a typical 15.6-inch laptop. This is because they've managed to shave down the top and side bezels to just 4.9 mm, which results in a 90% screen-to-body ratio. On top of that, this screen is also capable of displaying 100% of the sRGB color gamut, which should be pretty valuable for people who do photo editing or color work. Just like certain Huawei laptops in the past, Honor is using a pop-up camera that sits in the function key row, so you might have to get used to some pretty awkward angles during video calls. Unfortunately, this also means that there is no Windows Hello facial recognition to unlock your laptop. And when it comes to ports, Honor has included quite a few on the MagicBook Pro, including legacy USB-A ports. You get a single HDMI 2.0 port, 3 USB-A ports, and a single USB-C port, which you can use for charging. And yes, you also get a 3.5mm headphone jack. So the laptop also sports dual speakers, which Honor says can reproduce virtual 3D sound. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to test these out, but the speakers sit on either side of the keyboard and the placement is rather promising. Meanwhile, Honor promises that the MagicBook Pro's 56 watt-hour battery can handle 1080p offline video playback for 11 hours on a single charge, with charging from 0 to 50% taking around half an hour. For office use, you get up to 11 hours, and for web browsing, 9 hours. And like most of the recent laptops from Huawei and Honor, you also get a USB-C charger that can do up to 65 watts. I didn't actually have time to test out the capabilities of the MagicBook Pro, but from first impressions, Honor's flagship laptop's aluminum chassis feels well built, although it's definitely pretty hefty at 1.7 kg. Still, this is a 16.1-inch laptop, and for some context, the MacBook Pro 16 weighs in at 2 kg, so this still feels like it's on the lighter side of things. I will say that it's the display of the MagicBook Pro that impresses me the most. Honor talks a lot about the color accuracy and the TUV Rheinland flicker-free certification of the display, but for me, what impresses me the most is the 90% screen-to-body ratio and the near all-screen experience that you get. And of course, the Ryzen 5 4000 series chip is what Honor fans have been asking for a while, so props to Honor for actually listening. Now, at the time of the recording, we don't actually have the official pricing details for the MagicBook Pro in Malaysia just yet. However, the Honor MagicBook Pro is priced at around 900 euros in Europe, so we do expect to see a price tag of maybe just below 4,000 ringgit. So what do you guys think about the Honor MagicBook Pro? Of course, pricing will play a big part in your decision, but do let us know what you think in the comments section below. And that brings us to the end of this video, so remember, if you enjoyed it, to give us a thumbs up, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Anyways, this is Nick signing off. Bye!